The big development expected this morning. The Central Bureau of Investigation will be grilling Mamta Banerjee's nephew, Abhishek Banerjee's wife, Rujira. This is in connection with a coal smuggling case. The questioning is likely to take place at Rujira's residence in Kolkata. The CBI has in fact accused Rujira of having a role in the illegal coal smuggling case. Now, Rujira has requested the probe agency to question her at her house between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. today. The CBI grilled Abhishek Banerjee's sister-in-law, Menaka Gambhir, in the same case yesterday. The CBI has also issued a notice to Rujira after her name cropped up in the coal scam probe. Sources in the CBI say that the material found during the raids hint at her alleged involvement in the case. While the TMC has described the summons to Didi's first family as a bit to intimidate, the centre has come out to deny the charge. Union Home Ministry has claimed that the CBI does not work under its command and is operating on its own to investigate this particular case.
Sir, another important aspect is the West Bengal elections, where there is allegations being levelled against Home Ministry, in particular with Amit Shah, that there are EDs and CBI being misused. How do you counter that, sir?
For your information, ED and CBI not comes under.
But the allegation that is being levelled by the government, by Mamta Banerjee government.
That is a baseless allegation. That is a baseless allegation. जो भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसीज है वो अपना काम करते हैं. सरकार हर दिन हर विषय हर प्रांत का कोई हम उसमें हाथ नहीं लगाते.
Over the years we have been alleging there is a large scale corruption has been taking place in the state of West Bengal in collusion with the ruling parties Apaches. CBI during the course of their investigation has found out the relations between those criminals, those coal mafias, those cattle smugglers with the ruling party's political Apaches.
Let me take this across now to Suryagni Roy, who's joining us live from Kolkata with the latest updates on the investigation by the CBI. Suryagni, good morning. Rujira's questioning expected today. Now, there are a lot of questions about whether she's going to be cooperating with the agency's investigation, considering the TMC has come out time and again referred to this as politics of vendetta.
Well, firstly, a very good morning to you. And secondly, if we speak of Rujira Narula Banerjee, the wife of TMC MP and second in command Abhishek Banerjee, yesterday she wrote a letter to the CBI stating that, she is ready to cooperate in the investigation. However, she has written in the letter that she does not know why she'll be questioned, why she needs to be a part of the probe, but she will be a part of the probe. That is what she has written in the letter, and she had requested the CBI to come to her residence at around 11, between around 11 and 3 p.m. today for the probe, and that is something that the CBI has accepted, and the CBI will be heading to the residence of Abhishek Banerjee at their South Kolkata residence at around 11ish. That is what we have gathered from our sources. Now, if we look at the blame game, see, over a period of time, not only the Trinamool, but a lot of political parties, but especially the Trinamool Congress and Mamta Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee have stated vehemently that just before the elections, it has been observed, this is what they have been stating, Mamta Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee, that the CBI, central agencies like the CBI, ED and these agencies are used by the central government, rather the BJP government, to intimidate, leaders just before the election. This is something, this charge has been there against the CBI, against the ED and the central government in large by Mamta Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress, that these agencies are used to intimidate political leaders just before the elections. But however, the central agencies, rather the BJP has counter-claimed that there is nothing as such, and the CBI is a very neutral agency. This is what the central government and the BJP has stated time and over again. But amongst this war of words, a notice was issued not only to Rujira, the wife of Abhishek Banerjee, but also Rujira's sister, that means Abhishek Banerjee's sister-in-law, Menaka Gambhir. Yesterday, Menaka Gambhir's interrogation happened for almost 3 hours at her residence. And what we have gathered from our sources at the CBI is that she was cooperative in her approach.
Okay.
So the CBI had gone yesterday, questioned her, and now today it is the turn of the wife of Abhishek Banerjee, Rujira Banerjee.
All right, Suryagni, thank you for joining us with those details. As Suryagni pointed out, there is a massive political fight that's broken out over the investigation by the CBI. And here's why. Here's a breakdown of all the names that have emerged in this investigation of the coal mining case by the CBI. So the CBI has in fact summoned Abhishek Banerjee's wife, Rujira Narula Banerjee. She's been summoned and today she's going to be questioned by the CBI, we understand, at her residence. Besides that, you have her sister, Menaka Gambhir, who's already been questioned. She's Abhishek's sister-in-law, basically Rujira's sister. She's been questioned already by the CBI, also named in this case. Then you have Vinay Mishra. He too is part of the Trinamool Congress. He's a youth leader, a close aide of Abhishek Banerjee. He's been named by the CBI as well. And this is why this case is so very political. And then you have Anup Maji. He is reportedly, according to the Central Bureau of Investigation, the mastermind of this particular case of illegal mining. He's been summoned several times, but has ignored these summons so far, hasn't been cooperative with the investigation at all. Now, when we talk about Rujira Banerjee, it's not just the coal scam that is in fact haunting her. The wife of Abhishek Banerjee, she is also now caught in another controversy. This is linked to her passport. And here's what is the controversy. Rujira was in fact born in Thailand. She was born in Thailand but resided in Delhi at Rajouri Garden later. Now, the entire controversy has come up because in 2019, it was revealed that she was a Thai national. But then in her passport, it is revealed that she got a PAN card without mentioning that she had Thai citizenship. And she managed to get that PAN card. And besides that also, she's mentioned in her official documents a citizenship as Indian. This is where a big question mark has come up. There have been several discrepancies also that have come to light with regards to her father's name on her PIO card as well as her OCI card. That's a person of Indian origin card and her overseas citizenship card as well. So all of this has also led to the spotlight being on Rujira and this entire controversy, not just over the coal scam, but also over her citizenship. But there's been a lot of talk about Rujira and Abhishek Banerjee's relationship. Now, Rujira met Abhishek when the two were in fact pursuing a management course in the national capital. And here's a look at when they got married, how they met, all those details.
Rujira Narula Banerjee is set to face the CBI. But this isn't the first time that the wife of the Trinamool's number 2 is in trouble. Born in Bangkok, Rujira still has a Thai passport. But in government documents, she calls herself Indian. She found herself embroiled in a big controversy 2 years ago when customs officials wanted to search her baggage, citing detection of a significant amount of gold in X-ray images. The Calcutta High Court granted Rujira relief from the customs notice, observing that she is a Thai national holding an overseas Indian card. The case is still in courts. The Home Ministry had also issued a notice to Rujira in 2019 for obtaining a PAN card without mentioning her nationality. The notice also pointed out discrepancies in Rujira's father's name on different instances. While Rujira's father's name on her PIO card that was issued in 2010 is Dr. Nifon Narula, her OCI card made in 2017 states her father's name as Gursharan Singh Ahuja. Rujira, a Sikh, lived in West Delhi's Rajouri Garden. Her father had a cell phone shop at Gafar Market, which was quite popular. Rujira's father shifted to Bangkok later and started working in real estate. Sources in the family say they had a connection with Bangkok earlier as well, as Rujira was born there and that she came to Delhi only later. Rujira and Abhishek married in 2012 in a gala ceremony in Delhi, months after Mamta took over as Chief Minister of Bengal. The two were classmates at the Delhi Management Institute, where love blossomed. The two came closer on an academic tour to Switzerland in the first year. The couple went on to have a daughter and a son. While Abhishek Banerjee soon established his clout in Trinamool circles, Rujira largely kept herself in the shadows and away from politics. But that was before politics got up with the Trinamool's first family. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.